Hi, today we'll be walking through Farmers Market Metrics, a market-level data evaluation software created for and by market operators, organizers, and managers. We'll start by creating and downloading a market profile. When you first log into the software, you'll be taken to this home page where all of your markets will live. To create a new market, click the plus sign in the corner, and I'm going to name mine Market at Bascom. Once I create that market, I can go ahead and walk through the setup wizard. The profile setup is fairly simple and only takes a few minutes to complete. Each required question is denoted with a red star. Only need to fill out that information. All of the rest is optional. You can also return to this form at any time within the market profile section of your market to edit any of this information. As I mentioned before, all of the information entered in your market profile will live here. You can also download a copy of it into a PDF, where you can use this PDF either as a quick fact sheet to keep in your volunteer binder or any other use that you can think of. Next, we'll create market seasons. We will be getting rid of this feature, so stay tuned for a new tutorial. This means that you can view all of your data for every season at once, and you don't have to go through the extra step of creating and defining market seasons. To create a market season, select your market and click the New Season tab at the top. Enter in the name for your season. Mine is just the month of July 2022, so that's what I named it. Then I will select it from my drop down and enter in the days that the market is open. My Thursday night market is open those nights in July, but oops, I forgot that there's the 4th of July holiday on Monday, so we're not having that market, and I can delete that market day. Next, we'll enter market day data. Once I navigate to my market day data tab, I can go ahead and enter data under this yellow tab. Again, I need to select the date, and the only data points that Farmers Market Metrics requires are the date of the market, the total number of vendors, the number of farm vendors present, and 2 questions about the weather. All of the other information in this form is completely optional. You do not have to fill it out. Again, the only things that we do ask for are those 2 weather questions that you see at the bottom, as well as the number of farm vendors and total vendors present at the market day. The bottom of this section is for total market sales. Again, these are sales at the market level, not the vendor level, so these will be an aggregation of sales at the market level. I can also edit my data within Farmers Market Metrics. This data point looks a little off, so I'm going to take a look. I can also edit the number of farm vendors or any of the other data points in here. If I accidentally add another 3, it will remind me that I can't go above the number of total vendors present, and so I fix that. As well as at the bottom, I have this mistake where I see $2,000 of snap sales. That's supposed to be 200. I can edit that data point. It reflects in my total gross sales. I can save that data and submit it. Now we'll enter in tally and survey data. Next to the market day data tab at the top is a survey and tally data tab. This houses the visitor count, visitor survey, and SNAP eligible goods checklist. Again, the process is fairly similar as last time. You can enter data in under the yellow boxes. Here I'm showing that questions in the visitor survey, the visibility can be turned on and off so that not all of the questions display. If you're only curious in 2 or 3 questions, you can only include 2 or 3 questions in your survey. We also have an online form that generates a hyperlink that you can share. whether it's volunteers collecting this information on an iPad or you're posting this at your market as a QR code or as a link. People can fill out this survey online without being logged into Farmers Market Metrics. And again, they can complete this survey on their own time, on their own devices as well. Again, all of the data aggregates at the bottom in tables, much like the market day section. If you click to the right of adding data, you can find offline collection forms, which can be downloaded to collect data at your market. These can be customized to whatever data you're collecting or for your market. We highly recommend downloading these and using them as you need. We also have how-to resources available, again, for all data entry. It will take you out to our Farmers Market Metrics guide site. Now we'll create a single market level report. If I click on reports next to market day data at the top, I can create this report. I can change the date. I can also download, print, and edit most parts of this report. The header, footer, and intro are all customizable fully. So you can reflect those parts of the report to say whatever you'd like about your market, as well as each individual widget being customizable. You can select your metric from the list of metrics in this dropdown. Then you can change the headline or subheadline to highlight why your market chose this data point. Keep in mind that you can download individual widgets and change the headline or subheadline to fit the audience that you're sharing them with. I can also download the entire report to quickly share out with whoever I would like, or to print it out myself. We also have vendor sales and visitor survey dashboards, both of which can be downloaded and both of which update in real time as you update data. Both of these reports can also be filtered by date as well, just like the market report. Next, we'll create organization level reports. If I would like to create a report across multiple market sites, I can use the organization report where I can filter in or out certain markets. I can also filter by date to generate this report. This organization report is really similar to the market level report where everything, including the header, footer, intro, all of that is customizable as well as the text on the widgets. You can also print and download this report as well as all of the individual widgets. The organization level report is also just as customizable as the market level report, where you can edit headlines and subheadlines of widgets, as well as the header, footer, and intro text of the report itself. On both reports as well, I can download and share individual widgets to social media, and it will generate a link with the image to my widget. Farmers Market Metrics is a software developed for and by market operators, organizers, and managers. With that being said, we are collaborating with other farmers market softwares in order to provide more robust vendor level data, as Farmers Market Metrics focuses on measuring market level data. If you're interested in measuring vendor level data within Farmers Market Metrics, please contact us.